welcome back. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki. I wish you would consider hitting that subscribe button. We do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do beauty, we do lifestyle, we do pets, we do snacks, we do stationery, we do it all here. So if you love unboxings, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our YouTube family. And y'all, don't forget, we do have quite a few active giveaways. They will all be linked down below, so definitely check them out and enter if you have not already. Also, please do give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. So let's get into our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for November 2019. Now, I did not get the ultimate this month because I knew there was going to be another collab this month. And you guys, I'll be honest, I'm kind of over the collabs and stuff that they've been doing. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna pause it. I'm not gonna get it this month while they're doing another collab. I do have it set to come back for December, so as long as we don't see sneak peeks showing a collab, I will get the ultimate again next month. So, and we'll see if it is worth it. I don't really know how I felt about the first one. I mean, I definitely do feel I got my money's worth, but it was the wow factor that they built up there? No, I don't think so. So anyway, this is the Glam Bag Plus. This is the middle sister. So for those of you that do not know, Ipsy is a beauty subscription and they now have 3 different levels. They have their Ipsy Glam Bag, which is the little sister, and that is $12 a month, and you receive 5 sample, deluxe size, and sometimes full size items. And you always get a cute little bag. The middle sister, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, is $25 a month. This, you receive 5 full-size items in, and a bag. My brain is not working. Supposed to be a little bit bigger bag than the regular Glam Bag. And then, of course, like I just was mentioning, the ultimate, and that is $50 a month, where you receive 8 full-size products and 4 deluxe sample size. At least that's what they say. And a bigger bag. So, yeah, I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up for Ipsy. It is one of my favorite subscriptions. Ipsy has just been a tried and true for me, and I do think that they are starting to go by profile. I have had a lot of I've been very happy with most of my bags and boxes and stuff with Ipsy lately. So I do think that they are getting better at going by profile. I am starting to wonder though if they have like a limited supply, to be honest, of products, and the way, especially like with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, there's usually a card in here that will tell you about each item and pricing and everything. And I honestly am starting to wonder if they don't kind of have this box right here set aside, and if your profile has certain criteria, you're going to get this box. And if your profile has XYZ criteria, you're going to get another box, because they're not going to print a card for every individual person. So I do think they are going by profile. Do I think they're following it 100%? No. But anyway, let's just get in here. I've rambled long enough and see what I got for November 2019. Got tape on, where'd it go? Oh, okay. So when you open it, it says discover yourself, and there is some orange foam. So we will pull, oh, I was like, whoa, that's a lot in there. I forgot I had some, I had one add-on and I had cashed in some points. I was like, whoa, okay. So we will actually start with my, what I cashed my points in, because it's actually for you guys. So this is a lip fondant from Half Caked, and this is in the shade Low Key. I'm not going to take it out of the box. Like I said, it's for one of you guys. And then I also cashed in and got the full-size Ofra Madison Miller collab. This is the Sweet Stuff blush. It's a gorgeous color, and I think it's a really great fall color. So these are actually for one of you guys, so they'll be in a future giveaway. And then my add-on was the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream, because I want to know, you guys, if this smells like buttered popcorn anymore. They redid the formula, and I'm curious to see, does it still smell like buttered popcorn? Let's just do this. We'll just wipe this off on me. They definitely improved the scent. They did. It still has the slightest, I cannot lie, the slightest bit of the buttered popcorn, but more of like a pina colada, or, yeah, it's definitely improved. I do have to give them that. So, all right, now on to our actual box for November. So there is a card, November 2019. Wild Side. This month, dare to step into uncharted territory, electric lipsticks, passion projects, far-flung destinations. By leaning into the unknown, you just might find the most authentic version of yourself. Let's get festive. Get your calendars ready. We're bringing out every bell, whistle, bag, and lipstick for a full lineup of gifting events this holiday season. It's about to get wild. 11/25 is Choice Day. That's when you can pick the product for. That is one thing that they have changed and I absolutely love. You can choose one product in your book, the bag, the plus, the ultimate. I love that. Black Friday. You've given thanks. Now give yourself something epic. Our limited edition 6-item mystery bag goes on sale, but act quick, they fly fast. I will definitely be trying to get one of those. And then on 12/2, Cyber Monday add-ons, best Monday ever. Buy 2 add-ons, get a free sample or $3 off a full-size product. Okay, that's awesome. So then here we have the card, again, listing the prices and the product descriptions. So we will reference this as we pull products out. And let's see. Okay, I already see one thing that I am not happy about, and that is the Douce Punk Volumizing Mascara. I actually, a couple of months ago, received mascara like 3 months in a row, and on that 3rd month, I actually contacted Ipsy customer support because I don't really use mascara that often, and I certainly don't need to be receiving a mascara every month. And I was given the option to permanently opt out, and I did. So, I don't know why I have a mascara, but let's read about it. If you love the look of false lashes, then this mascara is for you. It delivers on drama and length without any smudging, flaking, or clumping. It's from Douce, a beauty brand founded by 2 fashion and beauty pros who celebrate expressing individuality through makeup. And this is $24. Like I said, and it's in black. I just don't wear, I'm tearing this box all to pieces. I don't wear mascara that often to need to constantly be getting. I do like the packaging, I will give it that. And I have heard good things about this mascara, so I don't know yet if I'm gonna put it in a giveaway or hold on to it. for whenever I decide to possibly wear mascara. But either way. And then now I just got this in the Allure box. This is the Ciate London Dewy Stick in Glow. This is $26. Want a glow that looks like your skin but better? Try this Glossy Stick Illuminator from British beauty brand Ciate London. Beloved for their on-trend and innovative products. This gel-like balm is made with muru butter and hyaluronic acid to add instant radiance to your skin. So that's the outer packaging. I actually did keep, even though I usually don't wear packaging is just really cute. Even though I don't usually wear cream highlighters or anything like that, I did keep it. This is what it looks like. Literally looks like a lip balm. That's what it feels like. And you can twist it up. So I will be putting this to the side for a future giveaway as well. All right, and then this is the next item listed. This is from Illuminator, Hydra right here. Hydra Primer, $45. Okay. The ultimate time saver. Hydra is both a hydrator and a primer, instantly moisturizing and smoothing your skin in one simple step. The futuristic clear gel formula absorbs quick, so it's the perfect step before foundation application. Well, I'm all about saving a step, so a moisturizer and a primer in one. I think I got a little sample of this in, it's all scratched up. All you're seeing is like, you guys see the scratches? Okay, well, that's fine. But anyway, I believe I got a smaller sample of this in something else, but I haven't tried it yet actually. So I may grab it and put it to the giveaway pile now that I have this cute little spoon. It was like, whoa. Can you, it's like Jello. Oh my gosh. That's like a bubble I'm trying to pop and it won't pop. Oh, it popped. Look. Okay. So there's that on my hand. So let's see what this feels like. That's interesting. It's just fun to play with. Okay, first of all, that went into my skin so amazing. Oh man. That like seriously went into my skin so instantly and amazingly, like, and there's not much of a smell at all. All I really smell honestly is the Coco Cabana, but my skin feels nice. All right, so moving right along. So this was one of the collaboration products. They were in collaboration with Gigi Gorgeous this month. I'm not exactly sure who that is, but less is more lip gloss in Get Into It. This is $16. Named for the YouTube personality, author, and activist Gigi Gorgeous, is a limited edition and Ipsy exclusive collection of essentials to get you glowing on your own terms. The shimmery sheer pink gloss contains nourishing vitamin E, so lips feel hydrated all day. It is a really pretty looking color. I do have to give it that. All right, so this is outside of the actual plastic. You can kind of see better there. It definitely is shimmery. Whoa! Can you guys see that? Are y'all seeing that? What in the holy heck? Okay. It's still doing it. I tried wiping it off and it's still doing it. Okay, first of all, that's a really large doe foot applicator for... It smells slightly like cake. Did y'all see that? That is like tripping me out. Why did it do that? I'm like, do I even want to put this on my lips? I'm sure it was probably just some kind of static electricity. Whoa. Well, it definitely feels really nice. I do have to give it that. That feels really, really nice. Okay. All right, and we have one more product, and that is, this is actually the product that I chose, and it is from Murad, and this is the Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. This is $22. When you apply Murad products, you know they really work. Founded by dermatologist Dr. Howard Murad, this line uses high-performance technologies to get to the heart of your skin concerns. This salicylic acid-based treatment reduces redness, clears pores, and calms blemishes. Now, I chose this because I do, and you can actually kind of see, even with the concealer right down here, occasionally get like hormonal breakouts. So I thought this would be really nice to have to help get rid of them. And obviously it's not that big of a tube, but when it's a spot treatment, you don't really need a huge tube. So I am excited to try this. And then we have our bag. Now the bag is... Okay, well, I mean, I'm not mad at it. It says Ipsy right here. And it is a good size bag. It's got this little tassel. And it's just dark brown on the inside. So, I mean, it definitely will hold all of our products. So, I'm okay with this month. I'm not super thrilled with this month. I'm not really upset because I am excited about this moisturizing primer. This I am obviously very excited for. I'm not mad at the gloss. It actually feels really nice. This is a repeat for me, but when you get subscription boxes like I do, I mean, that's bound to happen. Mascara, again, I'm not too thrilled about because I was supposed to be permanently opted out. I will be contacting them about that. But overall, I still think, I mean, even just this one product right here is $45. I paid $25 for the box. So that's 20 to the good. This was what, 22. I'll put the total value down here for you guys of my box. So I definitely think I got my $25 worth. I'll put a link down below if you would like to sign up for any of the Ipsy options. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if we were box twins, if you got some of the same products, what you guys think, what you guys got, if you didn't get anything that we got that was the same. But have a wonderful day and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.